Buongiorno! Welcome back to Forgotten Weapons. Out at the bug match today. I really do speak third best Italian, which is to say no Italian at all, but I do have an Italian pistol for the bug match today. This is a Beretta M1934, chambered for 380, aka 9mm Corto, aka 9 Browning. This is a gun that I got from Interord, from Royal Tiger Imports. The Italian Carabinieri, hence the hat, surplused a whole smorgasbord of these things, and so they've shown up all over the place on the US market right now for ridiculously cheap prices. And I thought, this is literally is an appropriate backup gun. I should take it to the bug match and see how it does. So we've got 4 stages today. I won't be shooting from the holster, but I have one of Interord's reproduction flap holsters, which will do nicely to store this guy through the match. Let's get into it. Commercial, 1972 production.
Were they out of really big guns?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
And that's it. 7 rounds.
Clear.
Time, 6 seconds.
All right, 6. That's good. If I got some hits.
You did.
Wow.
Wow. Whoa.
I'll.
Perfect.
All right, so that's down 1 point. And that's down a lot of points. But one of them was really good. That's not a bad start. So in this stage, we have spotted 4 people inside their house who are cooking pasta by breaking it in half. And so what I have to do is run up, break a window, shoot 2 of them, and then break another window and shoot the other 2. This is standard Carabinieri mission.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
I am not going to take the time to try and reload and get more hits on that last one.
Right. Range is clear. 9 seconds.
You left that last guy alive to warn the rest of them not to break your pocket.
Yes,
You got at least 1 hit on it, didn't you?
I did get 1 hit.
1 hit.
I think it was just 1 hit. Oh, that's not going to be a good reload.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Come on.
Ooh, good timing.
It says it's done, I think.
Yes.
14 seconds, good Lord.
I see clear.
All right. Whee! I fired, at least, I put 3 or 4 shots on every target, so I should, yeah, so like just barely. 3, 6, 7 points. That's a good one.
Well,
0, 3, 4 points.
the hard way.
That was not my best performance ever. All right, this time we're gonna add the spicy meatball. Come on, if I can do this with 1 hand and not DQ myself.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
No! Ah, it wasn't enough.
Good thing you put that extra bullet in.
Ah. Well, it's not worth it to reload. Takes too long. I've decided that as of this point in the stage, the white steel poppers are now no-shoots.
Range is clear. 6 seconds.
Did I at least hopefully get some points?
Yep.
Got 3, 4.
Hold on, let me scroll all the way down to that guy.
Ah. All right. All right. So yeah, this started well and kind of went a little bit downhill. It's not a bad gun. You saw I got the 1 malfunction on it, which is probably a bad magazine. I've been cycling through 3 different magazines. Like it's a fixed barrel gun. It shoots really well if you take the time to actually like line up the sights and get a decent trigger press. It's not the world's greatest trigger. It's not a match trigger. It's a $250 gun, give or take. So it's an excellent design. I think the Beretta 34 made a fantastic service pistol during World War II. It does all the things that a military service pistol really needs to without being any bigger or any more powerful than actually necessary. It's compact, holds enough rounds to do the job. They're good guns. It's kind of cool to have these available on the US surplus market cheap instead of being what had previously been surprisingly expensive military guns only, bring back guns and that sort of thing. So anyway, thanks to Royal Tiger for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.